More and more Tri-Staters are finding their car and homeowners insurance going up because they have too many credit cards. Consumer reporter John Matarese investigates this strange pattern. But first, is the newest email from Toys R Us real? John.
Well, Julie, a number of Not On Your Side viewers are asking me about a strange email they just received from Toys R Us. They wonder if it's legitimate or another phishing scam. Well, this one is legit. It's directed toward rewards members. It asks you to reset your Rewards R Us passwords. That's due to a number of unauthorized login attempts. Toys R Us says it has not suffered any security breach, but is doing this as a precaution. Well, there's more bad news about gas prices tonight. Tri-State prices, have you seen? They're up another 10 cents a gallon over the weekend. Most areas have jumped to $2.49 a gallon. That's 50 cents higher than just a month ago. GasBuddy.com says expect even more price hikes ahead with rising crude prices and the switch to more expensive summer fuel. Well, that brings us to Cheap Gas Monday, and our good friends Ron McKitty and Bob Apke spotted $2.27 at Mobile, Route 4 in Fairfield. In Kentucky, Kermit Balmer says Murphy USA in Florence is $2.36, and our friend in Indiana, Terry Henkenburns, reports the Shell at Aurora is $2.39. Insurance rates have been rising every year due to recent hurricanes and windstorms. But one Loveland woman is furious tonight, saying her rates are going up simply because she's trying to fix up her home.
She didn't have a fire or flood, not even a fender bender. But Tammy Clark's homeowner's insurance has just jumped $80 a year.
That has nothing to do with my driving record. It has nothing to do, I've never filed a claim.
But this letter from State Farm explains that her rates are up due to all the credit card inquiries she made during the past 24 months. Tammy says she's being penalized for taking out some loans for home improvement.
I had to get credit checks for Lowe's and to buy my truck, a credit card. But I pay my bills on time. I have a good credit rating.
But many insurance companies now factor in your credit score. State Farm even explains on its website that the FTC conducted a study that shows a strong correlation between credit history and the likelihood of future loss. In other words, people with lower scores have more claims.
That's not right.
Many consumer groups oppose this policy. In California, Maryland, Massachusetts, and Hawaii have banned it in most cases. A State Farm spokeswoman tells us they will re-examine Tammy's case. She says, what if she got sick? Would her rates go up due to hospital bills?
They shouldn't be looking at your credit at all. It's nobody's business.
Well, it seems that it is. If you get a letter like Tammy's, contact your insurance company or agent and explain any mitigating circumstances, why you're doing this. They may be able to negotiate a better deal for you. And if they say no, well, then shop around for other insurance companies. That way you don't waste your money.